All right, Andrew, we have got a tremendous team of correspondents spread out across the country, analyzing results in the key states. We'll check in with them tonight. But first, a look at where the candidates are tracking tonight's outcome.
So let's start with Hallie Jackson. She's at the White House. That's where the president is watching results come in. Kristen Welker is at Joe Biden's headquarters in Wilmington, Delaware. But Hallie, we'll start with you. What's the mood inside Trump team?
The president is here at the White House watching these returns come in, mixing yet again his official position here with campaign event set to be held in the East Room tonight. A little bit. It's raspy from all those rallies he's been holding the last couple of days.